Good morning. I'm Lakshya from ECE third year. So I'll be discussing about Li-Fi technology, which is light fidelity, the future of wireless communication. What is Li-Fi? So, it is the light fidelity which has high-speed bidirectional wireless communication technology that uses visible light, ultraviolet, and infrared light to transmit the data. Instead of considering a proper Wi-Fi, which uses traditional radio waves to transfer the data, the Li-Fi uses the high-speed bidirectional communication technology, especially by using the light or any IR light services. So next we will be seeing about its working. So first we have to fetch an input data. So it is in the form of digital data is fed into signal processing unit. And next the LED modulation. An LED light bulb flickers at the flickers in a nanosecond speed, which is very difficult even for human eye to detect. So the digital data will be modulated there, and that particular data is sent for the transmission. The flickering light, which carries the encoded data, will travel to the receiver in the medium of air. There will be an photodetector. So that photodetector captures the light and it decodes the data. So this is how an Li-Fi technology works upon. Next it's about Li-Fi and how Wi-Fi systems both work according to their own features. First, if we see about Li-Fi, so we know that particular Li-Fi system works upon only on visible light or IR or UV systems. Wi-Fi works on radio waves approximately with 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Li-Fi uses in the speed of 2 to 4 Gbps and Wi-Fi uses up to 10 Gbps. So the speed quality of Li-Fi is more while comparing with Wi-Fi technology. And next, if we compare the security, Li-Fi systems has very high security as light cannot be able to pass through walls. But if we consider Wi-Fi technologies, the security system there is very low. The data which is being sent there is not very secured because the signals can be able to pass through the walls. So when it comes to interference, the Li-Fi has very less interference, and that too majorly from the electromagnetic devices. The Wi-Fi has the interference which will be directly be affected by the other devices. So when it comes to range, the Li-Fi 10-meter line of sight is only provided by the Li-Fi. So when it comes to Wi-Fi, there will be 30 to 100-meter of ranges only. So the range of transmitting the Li-Fi systems is very low. And when it comes to energy, the Li-Fi uses an user existing LED fighting. And also when it comes to Wi-Fi, there will be an separate dedicated router will be needed for the transmission of the data. Next, there will be real world applications. Uh, if we see the applications are from hospitals, aviations, smart industry, secure zones, smart homes, and underwater commercial systems. So if we take example as hospitals, so there we need to transfer data very securely without any RF interference and with for the medical devices. So there we will be using Li-Fi. And next, even in also aviation, in there also there should not be any kind of RF disturbances. So within the cabin there will be LED lights, so which is in-flight connectivity. So in aviation it is being used. And when it comes to smart industry and secure zones, as we discussed before that light cannot be passed through any kind of walls. So since it makes Li-Fi system more secure, so there will be zero RF data security. And next, for smart homes, the internet access from every LED bulb will be transferred through the smart home system. And even in underwater, light travels through water better than the radio waves. So for transmission of any kind of data or Wi-Fi through the light through the water, we will be using the Wi-Fi technology. So next we will be seeing about the advantages and challenges. So advantages, as we know, it uses ultra high speed data and extremely secure systems, as light does not pass through any walls, and there will be no electromagnetic interference since it has very massive bandwidth, which is energy sufficient by using LED lighting, and which is ideal for RF sensitive environments. So when it comes to challenges, only 10-meter line of sight is being required for the transmission of data, so it could not able to pass after that 10-meter line of sight. Since it has only a particular limited range, it cannot also even penetrate walls, which is limited mobility. Sunlight interference can also disrupt the signal, and it makes the fidelity to work upon very low, as it requires the Wi-Fi enabled devices, and the receivers also requires the range to be very high. And when it comes to upgrading the cost of the infrastructure, it also been noted that we couldn't able to make the system better than the Wi-Fi, as it is still in the early commercial deployment stage. It has not been used still in the market. So these are all the challenges and the advantages provided for the Wi-Fi system. Thank you.